If you are thinking of starting a business in 2022, it is critical to take the new normal into account. The COVID-19 pandemic has changed so much about how people consume products and services. While starting a retail business or restaurant might have been good ideas previously, you might want to reconsider those thoughts until you see how the next year plays out. Instead of more traditional businesses, think about ones that can support how people live their lives now. In this video, I am going to tell you about the top 10 most profitable business ideas in 2022. So let's get started. Number 1. Create an online course. E-learning was a $250 billion industry in 2020 and is projected to become a $1 trillion industry by 2027. If you have a computer and something to say that can help people, online courses have low startup costs and high profit margins when you hit the nail on the head. To make an online course fly, however, you need an audience of people who want to buy it, and audiences can take years to build. Number 2. Rent or lease out existing assets. When Airbnb burst onto the scene in 2008, the idea of subletting a stranger's home for a weekend felt foreign and bizarre. Nearly 15 years later, the sublet economy is now everywhere, and an entire crop of Airbnb for X startups exist that help people turn existing assets into money-making opportunities. Number 3. White label a beauty or wellness product. Manufacturing a wellness or skincare product from scratch can be a huge and expensive undertaking. If your next brilliant idea falls into this category, have you looked into all the FDA regulations? Multi-year timelines are not unusual for new products in these industries. White labeling a product can be a smart compromise if you're just getting started. JBK Wellness Labs, an incorporated 5,000 company, notes that white labeling is a great supplement for salon or spa owners, hairdressers, and beauty influencers who want to apply their own branding to proven formulations. Choosing to white label high-quality formulas provides an opportunity to capture increased revenue and retail sales with products that carry higher profit margins, says Dr. Janelle Kim, JBK Wellness Labs founder and chief formulator. Additionally, the products you sell to your clients can't be repurchased on e-commerce sites, leading to increased visits to your location. Number 4. Start freelancing. Online job marketplaces like Upwork and Fiverr have helped millions of freelancers supplement their income or even make a living working remotely. LinkedIn also recently launched its services marketplace, another sign of the dramatic shift in employment opportunities. Can you write? Are you good with social media or video or coding? Offer your skills online where people are looking to hire, and you might be surprised at the results. Having an eye for detail and no particular area of expertise works. 2. Virtual assistant work has huge demand, and your clients will tell you exactly what they want you to do. Freelance work is also a great compromise if you want to augment your income, but aren't ready or interested in leaving your 9-to-5 job just yet. Contrary to popular belief, many successful entrepreneurs first tested their idea as a side hustle and validated their value proposition before making the jump. Number 5. Break into the creator economy. Many online platforms have recently earmarked funds to dole out to creators, including Facebook, Instagram, and Snap. If you love creating content online and have something to say, big tech platforms want to pay you to do it well. Most platforms require a certain amount of traction first before you can monetize. On YouTube, for example, partner program requirements state that channel owners need to be in good standing with YouTube, have 4,000 valid public watch hours in the previous 12 months, and at least 1,000 subscribers. These barriers help ensure new accounts don't come in and try to game the system from day one. Adam Hart, a marketing strategist with over 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, notes that the time it takes to hit these benchmarks varies from industry to industry and platform to platform. The content production piece, however, is entirely within your control. Where you do have choice on a platform like YouTube is in how quickly you want to produce and publish your videos, he says. For simple math, let's say you need to publish 30 videos on your channel to hit certain subscriber and watch time benchmarks. You have control over how fast you want to reach that threshold. It could take a year, 6 months, or even 30 days if you wanted to go crazy with it. Those first few dollars are incredibly motivating and powerful because they provide proof that you're doing something right. Before proceeding further, if you want to earn from YouTube channel, then join our YouTube course in which you will learn how to set everything up and how to make an income from it. YouTube course link is available in the video description. Number 6. Sell handcrafted and homemade goods. If you're a maker, whether you DIY soap, candles, sauces, or pottery, you're in a unique position to find a small business idea because product development and procurement are literally in your hands. Unlike many of the other ideas on this list, you will need to consider shipping and inventory management, but you can start out simple on a per-order basis or with a small batch until you start generating consistent sales. In fact, many makers on Shopify started out with a home business idea, selling on Etsy or eBay or to friends and family through word of mouth, and grew into full-time small business owners after establishing demand for their products. Just be mindful of any regulations in your product category, especially for anything customers will eat, inhale, or put on their skin. Number 7. Become an affiliate for your favorite brands. If designing your own service, program, or product sounds intimidating, consider piggybacking off of someone else's proven offer instead. Affiliate marketing gets a bad rap because of multi-level marketing scams and pyramid schemes. But many products and software ethically rely on referral links as a way to build their customer base. When exploring an affiliate marketing approach, think about how you can make your promotional efforts different. Everyone is selling the same product in this situation. Brainstorm ways to stand out from the crowd. Number 8. Start a dropshipping business. Buy stock, store it, pick it, pack it, ship it. Managing inventory is a big commitment when you're running a business. Dropshipping is an easy, low-cost business idea to start and the first of our good business ideas. Dropshipping is a fulfillment model where a third-party supplier stores and ships inventory to customers on your behalf. It's one of the best businesses to start because it's low overhead, hands-off, and scalable. You don't need to handle any products yourself. You just need to make the sales and pass orders onto your supplier. In fact, it's one of the quickest and cheapest businesses to start. You can curate products from one or more suppliers into your own online store under a theme that focuses on a specific niche, like gear for yoga enthusiasts or water bowls for dog owners. When a customer buys a product from you, the order is sent to your supplier, who fulfills it on your behalf. However, you are still responsible for your own marketing and customer service. Number 9. Offer home delivery services. The past 2 years left many of us acclimated to staying home and having goods delivered to our doorstep. Subsequently, a whole new world of home delivery services has opened up. Do you see a need in your community for certain people to have items or services brought to their own home on a regular basis? If the answer is yes, you might already have your next lucrative business idea. The sky's the limit here. I live in a 5th-floor apartment in Los Angeles. Our dog refuses to take the elevator or the stairs, so we have a saw delivery service come and drop off fresh grass on our balcony every 2 weeks. Yes, this is real, and it's worth every penny. There's a saying in pricing psychology: the premium you charge is the value you create. Don't be afraid to get creative here. Number 10. Design and sell print-on-demand t-shirts. Print-on-demand puts inventory, shipping, and fulfillment in the hands of a third-party supplier. But unlike the drop-shipping business idea above, the focus here is on customizing products with your own designs to create something original. T-shirts, hats, phone cases, hoodies, skirts, tote bags, and more become canvases for your creativity. You can think up witty slogans for developers or references that resonate with cat owners. If there's passion and pride within a community, there's a potential t-shirt business you can start. Even if you're not a designer, you can find one to work with using freelance sites like Fiverr, Upwork, Dribbble, or 99 Designs. That's all for today. Which one of these business ideas do you like the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more informative and amazing videos.